Evan? Hey, it's Sonny. I'm good. I was just wondering what you were doing tonight. I had a good time, and I didn't expect to, so thank you.
Lift my heart up when
I'll see you around.
the rest of
I'll see you soon.
me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
If there are boundaries, I will try to.
I know you're going through a bad time, but you're still married. I respect that. I don't want to make things tougher on you, so I think,
now I know
I should just keep my distance.
I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough.
See you around.
Could I lock in your love?
Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
I've known you forever.
Got you
I feel the
shackled
same way.
in my embrace. Latching on.
I don't want you to leave.
I'm
Are you really
so
ready to move on?
encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch.
This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought.
Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your
I like you.
clutch.
The way I feel about you, it
How
goes beyond friendship.
do you do it? You got me losing every breath.
What did you give me to make my heart beat out
I
my
want you.
chest?
I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?